if this wind's gonna, if you're gonna be able to hear me in this wind, but just wanted to walk around a little bit. It's 28th January, 2021. Show a little bit of what's going on. Threw this together yesterday. So we're testing these common rail injectors off the Deutz tractor. Works pretty good. It was leaking, so I took the fuel canister off, which is right here. Sits on there. Just a Gatorade bottle. Fitting on it. And I've been using this lathe. It's from the 40s. It's an Atlas Craftsman. Had to put that motor on it, but it works pretty good. I can take a 30-second. I can take 30-second off of it each pass. So that's how I made this. That's actually a globe seal fitting. Made that to adapt to these injectors. This is the silo. Gonna put a door in there. Just got the metal today. So that area will be a door frame. And it's got those tension bands on it, so you have to, the frame I make is going to have to incorporate those tension bands. Here's the steel I got for it. 4x6 angles, some 4-inch channels, flat bar. Look at the icicles. Here's the work truck. And slowly getting upgraded. Just put this power inlet in the other day so I can connect the generator to the power back here and to the light. And I got it's a mess in here right now, but put in a bunch of lights. So put in like some really good lights. That's been good. And put in this little voltage reg meter so I can monitor the batteries. And I was doing some TIG welding in here the other day. There's the Ranger. Here's the tractor I've been rebuilding. Well, it's getting ready to rebuild. It's taken a lot of work just to get to this point. You see it's on a pretty steep slope there. Got it blocked up. But it's a 4-cylinder Deutz diesel. And here's the exhaust manifold and the turbo. I made these legs because the oil pan actually is structural and it connects the front axle. There's 4 bolts. There's only 6 bolts that connect this casting to the engine, and I had to take 4 out of the 6 out. So I made those legs just to hold it up because I didn't want to pull the whole front end of the tractor off because I'm not set up to do it. But here's the underside of the engine. That's the mass balancer. You can see the oil sump, and then there's some bearings there. Got your main bearings visible. But not loving all the snow that got in here. But it's been a lot of work to get it to this point. Pulled off a lot of components, the gas tank, the diesel tank, the whole manifold on the side, the oil cooler, the hydraulic oil cooler, the pan. It took me a few weeks just to be able to drop the pan. Mostly because I was waiting for these metric M20 by 2 millimeter bolts to show up, but valve covers. There's the oil pan. See, that's a pretty heavy duty casting. And it had these bolts that went in the side. Up there. It had those 4 holes. So, once we get to this point, it's been a lot of work. But rebuild kit should be here in a couple days. So yeah, that's my update. A little slice of life here in West Virginia. It's like 25 degrees right now and windy. So probably gonna go back inside. Check out one more thing I was doing the other day, and that was just welding these quick attach plates to this hay fork. You can't even see it covered in snow, but I put these quick attach plates on there. You can't really see it, but them black plates. Put them on. Alright, it's cold as hell. Forward to this silo because that'll be a nice spot. Once we get a door in, I can muck it out, and you can't see anything in there, but I can muck it out and put a floor in, put a hearth in, put a wood stove in, and it'll be kind of nice. Alright, peace out.